What's up, guys? So welcome to another video. Today we are going to be using the Latapoxy 300 adhesive. It's basically an epoxy thin set. Just like epoxy grout, they also have epoxy thin set, so you can lay your tile with. So this is what we're working with today. We're only doing a shower floor. It's about 15 square feet. We're going over the tile that's already there. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. So I figured I'd show y'all this video. All right, so let's open this product. It's an A, B, and C product. All right, so we got the part A, we got another part A, we got a part B, we got another part B. All right, then we got two, and instead of mixing it with sanded grout, or this is going to be basically thin set. So right here you'll see it says thin set adhesive, not sold separately. Part C, filler powder. This is part 1 of 3-part system. Follow instructions. So basically we got a part C, a part B, and a part A. You can do one mix with that. Then if we need to do another one, we got another A, B, and C. Oh, and it also comes with these scrub pads, which is basically to easily clean your tile if you get epoxy in it. I'm sure that's what it is. It's basically common sense. All right, so now we're about to start mixing this A, B, and C. Now when you do this epoxy, you have to mix slowly. This is the part A, guys. All right, it's just like mixing epoxy grout. If you mixed epoxy grout before, it's basically the same thing. All right, that's the A. Now let's get the B. And you first have to mix the A and B first, and then you put the C in there. So I cut the whole bottom part, and then I fold it, and then I squeeze everything out down. I think it's the best way to get as much as you can without getting super technical with it. Now the next thing you have to do, similar to most epoxy grouts, you have to mix this first. And we're gonna slow speed the part A and the part B. So as y'all see, I'm using a low speed. It's only the part A and part B. So you can see all the epoxy chemicals in there. Basically ready. I'm still going to do it for another 30 seconds, maybe another minute, just to make sure I get the mix in there real good, because they're two strong components. I think that's good enough now. More than enough. Perfect. The part C. Alright. And you still want to do this at a low speed. I'm obviously going a little faster than what I was doing a little bit ago, but I'm not going to go that fast. So you can definitely mix this by hand, with the margin trowel. You can definitely do that. Or just make sure you use a really low speed when mixing epoxy thin set. And also for most of the epoxy grouts that are out there, you want to mix it till it's nice and smooth. That's it, guys. It's nice and smooth, as y'all see. You don't see any powder clumps in the middle of or anywhere around the bucket. The epoxy thin set is now ready. So as y'all see, that's how you mix the epoxy thin set. Since we're dealing with epoxy products, I'm using the EG formula just a bit in the bucket, only so I can easily rub off and clean off the epoxy from the surface of my tile that I'm dealing with inside. So EG formula helps with cleaning the tools, helps with cleaning the tile, and helps with leaving no stains, no haze all that good stuff, and everything is nice and clean. So, but otherwise, everything gets really sticky, really nasty. You're trying to rub it off with water, it doesn't really work, and so forth. All right, guys, so we're about to put this marble floor down over the other marble floor that's underneath it. Right now, everything's just dry set. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up, do the epoxy thin set, and set it down. All right, so as I just mentioned, everything is dry set, pre-cut. Now I'm removing 2 rows of this marble so that I can install the new layer of marble over this existing tile. First thing I want to do is face cover or face butter the surface of the existing tile so that we can avoid any kind of moisture going through this marble, because obviously we are using epoxy thin set, so that definitely helps with moisture. Now, as y'all notice, I am doing this thin set just as I would any other thin set, with the vertical lines going all in one direction. Now I'm also back buttering the marble as well, because it's really critical that the moisture does not come through at all. This is why I am doing this repair. We believe that moisture was coming through the marble, which would leave stains over the surface of the marble, basically wet stains, which looked like the marble wasn't drying in certain sections properly. So this is the reason why we're doing this whole job to begin with. And now that we're using the epoxy thin set, and that we also did the 6 size sealing with the marble, there should not be one problem with moisture coming through these marbles. That being said, the job turned out great. Go ahead and watch the rest of this video and see our finished product at the end of it. Now, thanks for watching, guys. If y'all like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if y'all new to this channel. We got more content coming up, and I appreciate all y'all guys watching. Now over here to the nice marble floor we did. Why they got a ladder right in front of my tile? Jeez, I just walked in here, so I didn't move anything around. I just walked in. We're looking at it just as, wow, look at that. They put the glass in. Look how nice that detail looks down there after all, with all the trim around it. Open this door. All right. Nice, look at that. Nice shower head. My corners are all caulked in. Wow, look at that. Looks pretty nice. Very nice. All right, and this is the floor. This is what the floor looks like. Nice floor. Okay. Floor looks awesome. Man, this whole house looks awesome. It is amazing, man.